My name is Noah. For my birthday this year, my mom got me a computer for school. Since then, I've been hooked on the internet. You can learn a lot on the internet. I learned how to fix the refrigerator. I learned how to style hair. Well, sort of. I mastered all 7 disciplines of the lightsaber. I even started making money, fixing Xboxes for $50 a pop. By the end of this summer, I was gonna have a lot of money. But then, my mom got sick. She stopped eating dinner with me. I knew something was wrong. So I did what I always do. I went to the internet to find out how to fix it. And that's when I found it. It's actually pretty easy. It wasn't as hard as beating level 55 on Call of Duty 4. And after it was finished, all I had to do was wait.
So that's the reason you've done all these things?
She's all I have. I learned 2 important lessons this summer. First, telling the truth will set you free. Second, anything is possible. Even setting up a hydroponic system in the attic. Thanks, YouTube.